Variables in Python. In the programming world, variables are like containers that hold different types of information. They enable you to store and manage data within your Python programs. Think of variables as labeled boxes that keep track of values. This makes your code dynamic and flexible, as it can handle different data types and adapt during execution. Now, let's talk about naming variables. In Python, variable names must follow specific rules. They must start with a letter or an underscore, and after that, they can contain letters, numbers, or underscores. However, variable names are case sensitive. One of the standout features of Python is dynamic typing. This means you don't have to explicitly declare the type of a variable when you create it. The interpreter automatically detects the type based on the assigned value. Variables can hold different types of data, which are classified into mutable and immutable types. Immutable types, like integers, floats, strings, and tuples, cannot be changed once set. However, mutable types, like lists and dictionaries, can be modified after creation. Let's talk about variable scope. The scope of a variable refers to the region of your code where the variable can be accessed or modified. Variables can be local, global, or non-local. A local variable is defined inside a function and can only be accessed within that function. A global variable, on the other hand, is defined outside of any function and can be accessed anywhere in the code. You can use the type function to check the type of a variable. Python also allows you to delete variables using the del keyword. This removes the reference to the variable, and trying to access it after deletion will raise an error. Practice exercise. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Python? In Python, variable names can start with a number. So, to summarize, variables in Python are dynamic, meaning you don't have to declare their types explicitly. They can store different types of data, both mutable and immutable. Variables can be local or global, and the scope defines where they can be accessed. We can reassign values, use multiple assignments, cast types, and even delete variables when they're no longer needed. A good practice when naming variables is to make them descriptive and follow conventions like snake_case for Python. Always aim for readability over brevity.